Hey, what's going on YouTube? If you're new to the channel, my name is D and you're watching New Touch Auto. In this video, we got this Volkswagen Atlas back here that came in to get their wheels done. But this is something that's gonna be a little bit different. If you wanna know what I mean by different and you wanna see the finish to these wheels, stay tuned. Welcome back. Now let's go back to what I said. This video is gonna be a little bit of difference. Most cases when a customer comes in and they want their wheels done in a permanent black finish, it's normally gloss. Not in this case. They want that oaky though. They want something different, so we're gonna give it to them. They're aiming for a satin black finish, which is also known as a semi-gloss finish. We're gonna jump into the products that we're gonna be using. We're gonna go over everything. And we're gonna make this video short and simple, so y'all pay attention. Now here are the wheels currently. They got a normal stock look. Most people want something different. They want to ride with the new wave. The new wave now is satin black, gloss black, matte black. They're taking away and deleting their chrome, and they're just going over with a new image. Here are the products that we'll be working with. We'll start out with our 400 grit sandpaper, which will break down the clear coat that's currently on the wheel. Then we'll proceed to our 800 grit, which will smoothen out the surface even better from the sanding. Then you'll proceed to your grease and wax remover, which will clean all the dust and debris from the sanding. Your isopropyl alcohol will make sure that all the dust and debris is clean. The Bulldog adhesion promoter. That will allow the paint to stick to its max before you start your painting. Your Duplicolor primer and the filler will allow you to have a smooth surface with your finish. Then we'll proceed to our semi-gloss black finish that we're aiming for. The playing cards, they'll be used to go around and between the rim and the tire. It'll allow me to not have to mask off as much with paper and tape. of the video. And let me tell you something. That semi-high gloss, AKA satin finish, that's a nice look. You see that wheel back there? But listen, we're not gonna show you right now. What I'm gonna do is take it to the end of the video and you'll see a before and an after. And you tell me what you think. Leave it in the comment section. You got any questions you wanna ask about this install? Let me know. I'll get to you ASAP. For those who have subscribed, I really appreciate that. And for those who are new to the channel, please feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Thank y'all. Check it out.